Hello guys, welcome to my new vlog. My name is Raghav and I live in Norway. Today I was just passing through this Bergen Centrum and I just found this small ice cream shop, like large ice cream company, and it's called LICC. And I just found a very young kid at the age of 14 here, and his name is Jacob. And when I just spoke to him, right, I really got inspired the things what he has been doing here as a summer job guy. So let's speak to Jacob and just get to know more about things what he has been doing here. So hi Jacob, how are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Okay, so Jacob, tell us something about yourself, that what you are doing here as a summer job guy.
Oh yeah, I'm serving ice cream to people in the summer.
Okay, and how did you get this job?
Oh, I just searched for this company as I saw it on the street.
Mm-hmm.
I got the job. Yeah.
Okay, and what things motivated you? Because before camera you just told me that you are only 14, right? So what things motivated you to apply this job? You could have done so many things, right? It's already, I think in a couple of days your summer vacations would begin. You could have gone to other places, you could have fun, right? Then what thing motivated you? Okay, let's apply to this job.
Money.
Money. Okay. And you were just talking about one thing, that at the age of 14, if you are considering about the money management, that is also one of the positive aspects. But at the interview process they ask about handling stress,
Yeah.
right? So how do you define stress in your own words?
Like if I think I handle stress good enough, but yeah, if it's very long line,
Okay.
yelling, and then maybe to job. Yeah.
Okay, and how your day starts here in this store, like a small coffee shop? When do you come here, right? And sometimes you get lots of customers, sometimes you don't, right? So what's your typical day?
Yeah, I come here.
Mhm.
Either I have the opening shift or closing shift.
Okay.
And if I open, I just take all the lids off, open the shop. And
Okay, and
stay here.
and tell us about the different type of ice creams what you sell.
Yeah, we have strawberry, cappuccino, chocolate, lollipop,
Okay.
mango sorbet.
And one thing I just wanted to tell all the people, because right now it's cold and I already had a coffee in a cafe, but when I just came to this store and when I just saw this young guy, then I thought, okay, let's try a coffee. And Jacob gave me a wonderful cup of coffee. So those people who are here near to Bergen Centrum, can you please tell us the location to all the people here?
Yeah, it's right outside the city building
Okay.
with
And it's just near to this
Okay.
lake, right? I cannot pronounce this name, so please tell us the name of this lake.
Lille Lungosvall.
Lily Langostrom. So the people who are near to this place, right, they must visit this store, right? Encourage this guy. This guy is doing really great job, and he has a great vision also, because he just wants to do so many things in this life, right? Okay, tell us about your things, what you want to do.
I want to become an engineer.
Okay.
Maybe build some robotics.
Uh-huh. And right now he, when I ask him about his daily routine after work, right, what does he do after completing his shop? He generally goes to his home, right, and then he starts doing coding. Tell us about your computer experience. What do you learn, and what's your main vision after completing or after summer job?
Yeah, I write HTML from school, and I'm trying to extend my coding knowledge with maybe learning to code Arduino.
Now you could imagine this guy, he is really a jack of all trades. At this time he is working in a ice cream shop. He is learning coding, and he does soldering also. He just told me before camera, right? That means he has more interest into electrical also, and he knows lots of things, that okay, if we combine electrical gadgets with computer programming, that is more or less like robotics. I am pretty sure the way he is putting lots of effort, his future is really 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 very bright. So Jacob, thanks a lot for giving this information, and I am pretty sure that the people who would be watching this video at the age of 14, this guy is putting in so much efforts. This guy really inspired me a lot, and this guy will inspire so many people, not across Norway, across the world. So Jacob, right, I wish you all the best, right, for your future endeavors, right? You would really 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 great in your life. Thanks a lot for your time.
Yeah, thank you.